Managers can automatically create a new row in Google Sheets each time there is a new fault report in FacilityBot. To use this feature, log into your Zapier account. Click on Create New Zap. Select FacilityBot as the trigger that will start the Zap whenever something happens in the app. Connect your FacilityBot account by clicking on Sign In. Choose the action to be taken whenever the trigger occurs. Select Google Sheets, then create spreadsheet column or row. You will then be asked to connect your Google Sheets account. You may also customize this app using the Setup action. Select the Google Drive where your spreadsheet resides and select the specific spreadsheet to use. Once configured, publish the Zap by clicking on Publish Zap. Once published, a new row will be created on the spreadsheet whenever a new fault report is created.